What are management accounts? Well, are management accounts just effectively your statutory accounts at a different date in the year? Absolutely not, okay? Let's just cut that myth straight away. Management accounts are for internal use, and they're for the owners of the business to really understand how their business is doing on a week-by-week, month-by-month basis. Okay, yes, you would get a profit and loss statement, a balance sheet and a cash flow, and probably some KPI numbers, key performance indicator numbers, and some commentary as well. But it's there to help the owners of the business really understand what's going on beneath the bonnet. You know, you wouldn't go off on a car journey and not know where you're going and how you're going to get there. And that's how a lot of business owners are without management information. They just hope that they're making some money, and they might look at their bank balance if they're lucky, but they really don't know whether they're making any profit until, you know, at least 12 months, if not 21 months after that year end. Well, that's just, you know, commercial suicide. You really need to understand where you're going with your business and how profitable it is, and you know where you're spending your money and whether that's a good use of you spending that money. You know, how your marketing's performing, what products and services are profitable, what different business units, you know, how well your business is doing. And that's why you really need to have clarity on your numbers and management information to prove exactly where you're going. So that's what management accounts are. What's cloud accounting? As we've already alluded to in the video previously about what's the difference between cloud accounting and traditional accounting, cloud accounting is the latest technology for business owners and entrepreneurs to help them really grow their business. You know, you must understand your numbers. You've got to know where you are and where you're going and be able to track your progress towards that goal. Otherwise, you're kidding yourself that you're going to be profitable. So cloud accounting enables you to do that. It makes life an awful lot easier because the software, effectively, you're renting. You don't actually kind of own it. Yes, of course, it's your numbers, but it's on somebody else's server. And as long as you've got an internet connection, you can access it from wherever you are. And also you can give access to, staff members, your accountant, and you can collaborate and work together on this in real time to ask questions and get stuff done rather than having to wait when somebody else is online. The beauty of cloud accounting is it's really, really easy to use, and you can make it automate and efficient. You can set up bank rules so that if, for example, you have a mobile phone bill and it's a particular supplier, you can set a rule up that says post it to mobile telephone. You can take photographs of your expenses and get it straight into the system using either that particular cloud accounting software app or another app. You can have it talking to other apps to, again, make the systems more efficient, do your credit control for you. It is amazing these days what's available, and you can use it on your smartphone. So if you're on a train, you can take your laptop on holiday and work on the beach if you so wish. It's really, really easy, and it's predicted that it can take about 80% of the time out of bookkeeping. So if you've got a bookkeeper who works for you, you can get them to do other stuff, and so you're moving your business on and making it much more efficient. So that's what cloud accounting is all about.